The easiest way to make your first sale on Shopify. Launching a Shopify store is exciting. You've designed your storefront, added products, and made everything look professional. But there's one challenge every beginner faces: getting that very first sale. Many new store owners overcomplicate this process, thinking they need big ad budgets, influencer partnerships, or advanced marketing tools. In reality, your first sale doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. This guide will walk you through the easiest path to getting your first customer on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to turn your store from just launched to first sale in the shortest time possible. Step 1. Start with a product people actually want. The first mistake many beginners make is trying to sell something too broad or too competitive. If you picked a random product without thinking about demand, your first sale will take longer. Instead, focus on solving a problem. Products that make life easier, for example, ergonomic gadgets, pet solutions, home organizers, fulfilling a passion, items tied to hobbies, fitness, or lifestyle communities. Trend-driven products, something currently gaining traction on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Quick tip: use free tools like Google Trends or social media hashtags to confirm that people are actively searching for your product type. Step 2. Polish your Shopify store for trust. When someone visits your store, they'll decide in seconds whether to trust you. Your site doesn't need to be fancy, but it must look clean and professional. High-quality photos. Show multiple angles. If possible, include lifestyle images. Simple navigation. Avoid clutter. Make sure products are easy to find. Clear product descriptions. Highlight benefits, not just features. Trust signals. Add return policies. Contact information and customer support options. Remember, you don't need hundreds of products to start. Sometimes a single winning product store is the fastest way to make your first sale. Step 3. Don't wait for traffic. Go where your audience is. One of the biggest myths in e-commerce is that if you build it, they will come. Simply launching your Shopify store isn't enough. You need to drive people to it. Here are the easiest free and low-cost ways to get traffic quickly and leverage your personal network. Your first sale doesn't have to come from a stranger. Share your store with family, friends, and co-workers. Post on your personal Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Ask close contacts to share with their circle. Offer them a discount code for supporting you early. Use social media for free traffic instead of spending money on ads right away. Create quick content. TikTok videos, short clips showing your product in action can go viral. Instagram Reels demonstrate how your product works or benefits the customer. Pinterest pins, great for visual niches like fashion, home decor, or fitness. Consistency is key. Even posting once a day for a week can bring traffic. Join niche communities. Find where your target customers hang out. Facebook groups related to your niche. Reddit communities, subreddits, Discord servers, or online forums. Participate genuinely and share your product when it fits naturally. Step 4. Create an irresistible offer for your first customers. When you're new, you have no reviews or social proof yet. The best way to overcome this is by giving people a reason to buy now. Some proven first sale strategies. Limited time discount, for example, 20% off for the first 20 customers. Free shipping. People love free Shipping more than discounts. Bundle offers buy 2, get 1 free. Early supporter perks special thank you note or gift. Your goal isn't to make huge profit on the first sale, it's to build momentum. Step 5. Use Shopify apps to boost conversions. Shopify has powerful apps, many free, that help beginners make sales faster. Some useful ones include Plug-in SEO ensures your site is optimized for search. Privy or Klaviyo collects emails with pop-ups and sends follow-up offers. Product reviews lets you add testimonials quickly. Trust badges makes checkout feel safe. Installing just a few of these can increase your chances of converting visitors into buyers. Step 6. Collect social proof from day 1. People buy from people they trust. Even one happy customer can boost your sales. Ask your first customer to leave a review or testimonial. Share user-generated content, photos of them using your product. Highlight any positive feedback in your store banners or social media. The earlier you start building credibility, the easier it gets to attract more customers. Step 7. Experiment with low-budget ads, optional. If you have a small budget, even 10-20, running ads can speed things up. Instead of blindly spending, choose one platform and test carefully. Facebook or Instagram ads good for visual products and targeted audiences. TikTok ads affordable and powerful for trending products. Google Shopping ads great if people are actively searching for what you sell. Start with just one ad set, track results, and adjust based on performance. Step 8. Follow up with leads and abandoned carts. Not everyone who visits your store will buy immediately, but Shopify makes it easy to re-engage them. Enable abandoned cart emails automatically. Reminds visitors to complete checkout. Offer a small discount in the follow-up email. Capture emails early using pop-ups so you can nurture leads later. This small automation can turn almost sales into your first real sale. Step 9. Stay consistent and don't overthink. The biggest reason beginners fail is giving up too quickly. It's normal for the first sale to take days or weeks. Remember, every successful store owner once had 0 sales. You don't need fancy marketing or big budgets, just persistence. Focus on learning, testing, and improving one step at a time. Your first sale is not the end goal, it's the beginning of momentum. Once you prove someone is willing to pay, scaling becomes easier. Final thoughts. Making your first sale on Shopify doesn't require luck or huge spending. The easiest path is simple. 1. Pick a product people want. 2. Make your store trustworthy. 3. Actively share it with people, don't wait for them to find you. 4. Create an irresistible first offer. 5. Use apps, social proof, and follow-ups to maximize conversions. Your very first customer is closer than you think. Once that notification pops up, congratulations, you made a sale. You'll realize all the effort was worth it. From there, it's just about repeating and scaling what already worked. Thanks for watching.